Hello guys, this is Madhu Tiwari again with the exercises. Today we will practice the exercises with the for or since. Students, so many students mistakes in such type of sentences, such type of fill in the blanks is like the for or since. और आप लोगों को इसकी प्रैक्टिस बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि अगर आप क्लास आपकी अप होते जाती है सिंस और फॉर का मिस्टेक्स आपका बढ़ते जाता है. सो यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन सच स्मॉल एंड tricky methods and you have to obtain the methods. So let's we start today video now. So exercise number 1. I have first one example. Fill in the blank. A famine has been ragging 6th January. I told you uploaded a video before this video. I uploaded and told about the you have for or since how to use the for and since for or since and where have to put the since and where we have to put the for. So again I am repeating. So let's see again. Use of for or since. We use for with period of time as for an hour if the specific time is not mentioned. If the specific time is not mentioned, then no need to write the since. You have to write only the for. Understood? For 2 days, for a week, for 10 minutes, for 2 years, for a long time. That means the specification of period is not given here. That means you have to write the for. And since, how will you write the since? With the which type of sentences? Since with a point of time as point of time. See here, point of time. If the time is mentioned and specified and focus on the time, then you have to put the since. So since is before 7 a.m. if the time is mentioned. Since is before morning if the time is mentioned morning. See here, time is mentioning all with this, and but here is not mention of time. This is not the specification of the time. This is only the an assume of time, and we have to write for. But the since, with the since we have to put only since with the specification of time. Then you have to put the since before 15th May, before year, before long, before you came. Those all are the words where you have to put the since before since. Understood? So let's start the practice. Question. Exercise. A famine has been ragging 6th January. That means 6th January. With 6th January, the specification of time is mentioned here. That means you have to write here only since. The next one is prices have been shooting up dash for months. That means the assumption of the time. Assume that she is mentioned. She is assumed like assuming 4 months. So you have to write here only 4 because not the time is specified here. Next one is the tournament has been going on a fortnight. The tournament has been going on a fortnight. That means you have to write here 4 because time is not mentioned here. This is the this is not the specification of time. So next one is the cock has been crowing dash 4 a.m. That means the time is mentioned here. That means you have to write only the since. You have to put since. Next one is the child has been crying in hunger half an hour. 4 means the half an hour से बच्चा रोए जा रहा है. So next one is Jack has been climbing the hill dash 2 hours. 2 hours से वो climbing कर रहा है, that means the not the specification of time, that means you have to write here only the 4. Only the 4. Next is I have been ill. I have been ill dash a week. Before week, what you have to write here? Only 4. Only 4. The enemy has been attacking the fort a month. The enemy has been attacking the fort month. That means what you have to write here? Only a month. Month means the time is mentioned here or not? Time is mentioned here. Sorry, not mentioned here. That means this is not the specification of time and the month. Before month, always you remind set in your mind that always you have to write before month for, before month for, before week for, before hours for, before am. If the mention is time is mentioned here, then you have to write only since. If the minutes is also for the for, and if the time is and the date is mentioned, then you have to write the only since. So next is, here will be put here 4. So next one is Sushan has been teaching dash 10 a.m. Teaching 10 a.m. So what we have to write here? This is the time. This is our time, and time is mentioned here. This is our time, and time is mentioned here. That means you have to write only here since. Sushan has been teaching since 10 a.m. Since 10 a.m. That means the time is mentioned here. That means you have to write only since. Next one is we have talking outside. We have talking outside dash 3 hours. Dash 3 hours. 3 hours means the 4. For 3 hours. Understanding? I think you all are understanding my videos, and please subscribe and share and comment with my channel, and welcome thanks for watching my video. Okay, thank you.